Hello programmers, welcome back to my another video. So today I will solve the seventh unknown problem, which is summation from 1 to n. So let's open it. Here it says basically given a number n, print the summation of numbers that between 1 to n inclusive. So here n can be up to 10 to the power 9 from 1, and this is the input value of n. Basically I have to calculate the sum of 1 to n numbers. So how can I do it? I can do this. I can solve this problem using two method, using a for loop, or which is a big of n solution, but I don't do it because we have a rule which can directly calculate the sum between 1 to n, and in this case the time complexity will be big of 1. So let's do this. So at first copy the question name, create a file. Okay, hash include bits slash stdc plus plus dot h using namespace std, integer main, integer n, in right shift n. So I take the value n from user. So let's calculate the sum. So cout, which the equation is basically n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the equation, and I can use this equation to calculate the sum between 1 to n. So it will calculate this directly, and the time complexity is big of 1. Okay, so let's test it. So g plus plus summation. Okay, build successful. So run it. If I give input as 3, returns me 6. If I give input as 10, it returns me 55. So that's the solution. So submit it. Okay, it says wrong answer on test 3, but why? Okay, mm, 10 to the power 9. Mm, okay, I can take those variables like this, and sum will be n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, then print the sum. Basically I take long not integer. So let's submit it. What's the error actually? Okay, now it accepted. Basically you have to take long instead of integer, because the reason is the limit is 10 to the power 9. So uh, if you sum all the values up to 10 to the power 9, it becomes larger than 10 to the power 9, which cannot uh, mm, handle by integer data type. Okay, so that's why I take long the data type. Okay, uh, I end up this I will end, I'm end up this video here. So see you in the next one. Okay, bye.